Hello everyone. Today we are going to write a program for tuple sorting. Let me first delete this line. My name is Gagan, and I'm going to show you how to sort the tuple, how to sort the numbers in tuples. So let's take a first tuple, numbers, and as we know, the round bracket will come. So randomly, I am just entering number in tuples. Let's take six more or four more, 10 numbers, 90 comma 35. Total how many numbers I have taken? 4, 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9, and one more. Let me take so this is my tuple with random numbers, and then I will convert that into list, and then I will do numbers dot sort. So by default it sorts the number into ascending order. Again I will convert the list back to tuple. So now if I print numbers, so let's see the result. It will run and you can see it's a sorted tuple now. Then in descending order, let me write a comment for descending order. Given below will be the program. So let's take numbers descending is equal to then let's take the same elements. Let me copy all the elements, and so this is my then I'm going to numbers D, convert it to the list numbers D, and then what I will do now, I'll take numbers D dot sort is a function, and you can see there is a boolean which is a one of the parameter inside this function, which says the reverse flag can be set to sort in descending order. So it's only the matter of boolean that we need to set for descending order. So reverse is a boolean variable. We will set it to uh, true. So once it's set to true, it will be working as a descending order. Let me press the insert, press the enter, and then we will convert back numbers T is equal to convert back into tuple and write numbers D, and then print it. So printing is like a same line number 6. So and you can see the result. So look at this one. This is the result output of the ascending order, and this is for the descending order. Thank you. I hope you like the video.